Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert images in Microsoft Word. So click on insert and picture in this device and select your picture which you have in your laptop. Another method, you can insert picture from online. So insert picture and online pictures. Find and insert pictures from a variety of online resources. Now search a picture from here as a category like rose flower. Press enter. Or click here. You can select and insert any flower. Also, you can rotate your picture. Your required degree. You can crop your picture into any shape like smiley face, like this. Also, you can change picture style. So this way you can insert pictures, images in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching.